baby turnips are so rewarding to plant because they come from little tiny seeds like this, and in 2 weeks you get turnips like that. Like that. These are actually sweet. You pull off the little adventitious roots and bite right in. You don't need the sanitizers, which probably screw up your own immune system. You can just bite right in. And it tastes sugary. What makes it so sweet is the soil in which it's grown. And this soil, like all good organic potting soil, has a bacterium in it called Mycobacterium vacci that probably doubles as an antidepressant, raises serotonin levels, a good for you hormone in your brain, and makes you feel good. The edible greens on this also are full of B vitamins and are really good for you. But the most important part of growing your own food is you know how good it can feel to nurture something that you can touch and hold and give to others. That is the magic of gardening. That's the mindfulness of gardening, the ability to lose yourself in the flow of taking care of other things. Think of my Green RX for you. Plant just one thing every week.